Welcome to the 2021 annual SASE meeting. Here are some tips to help you navigate this virtual experience. First, know that you must be a paid registrant to participate in the conference. If you have not registered, visit sase.org and click on the green button located on the homepage. We strongly suggest registering well in advance of your session. There is a 15-minute delay between registration and access. After registering, visit the meeting app via the SASE website. This can be found in our events section under Online Program. When you're in the meeting app, click Sign In on the top left-hand side of the page. Please note that your meeting app login is not the same login that you use at sase.org, and that you do not need to log in at sase.org to access the meeting app. You must log into the meeting app using the same email you used to register. If you have not used the meeting app in recent years, you will need to set up a new account. If you have used it in recent years, you may want to use the Forgot Password link, which will ask for your email address, then allow you to reset your password. If you are still having trouble to log into the app, you can email help@sase.org or use the tech support link in the left-hand menu. Throughout the conference, you will use this menu to navigate the platform. Scheduled times are set to Eastern Daylight Time by default, but you can switch to your time zone by clicking here. The SASE conference is mostly broken up into 90-minute sessions, 60-minute webinars, and 60-minute socializing slots. In the SASE meeting app, you can see all of the sessions available either by date and time, by network, or by mini-conference. You can also see the featured events and social events through the left-hand menu. Once you have selected a session that interests you, clicking on the name of that session will take you through to the session page. It is here that you will find the name of the moderator, the session organisers, and the papers and authors that are presenting. Links to access sessions will appear in program listings around 15 minutes before the start time. Session rooms will remain open even after the session's time slot has ended, allowing conference participants to continue talking as long as they wish. If you wish to create a personalised agenda for the conference, you can add sessions to your own personal calendar within the meeting app. Just click on the calendar icon next to the name of the session. Clicking on the same icon in the top navigation bar will take you to your calendar. Clicking on an author's name will show all of their presentations at the SASE conference. And you can also find specific attendees by clicking on the attendee list on the left-hand side menu. One of the most important things for us at this year's SASE conference was to recreate a social space where you can interact with other SASE members. And for this, we will be using a browser-based platform called Spatial Chat. This platform will run in all browsers, but works best in Google Chrome. You can access this by clicking Social Room in the left-hand menu, followed by the Click Here button under Access Spatial Chat. This will take you directly to the SASE Spatial Chat, where you will be invited to enter your name. Your first name or a pseudonym will suffice. If you want, you can also add a short description and a photograph. The next screen will invite you to test and enable your camera and microphone. When you are ready and happy with the configuration, click Join Space to enter the SASE Spatial Chat. Please note that the first time you access the SASE Spatial Chat, you may need to give your browser permission to access your camera and microphone. From here, you will be transported to the lobby, where you will be represented by a small circle with either your video, photograph, or first initial. You will also be able to see all of the other SASE members in this lobby. You can click and drag your small circle to move around the space, and use your microphone to speak to other members. How well they can hear you is based on proximity, so go closer to the people you want to talk to. We have a number of different rooms to explore within the SASE Spatial Chat. You can access these by clicking on the links in the right-hand menu. The number to the right of the room name will tell you how many people are currently in that room. In the room SASE Help Desk, you will always find a member of SASE staff who will be able to help you if you're having any problems with the conference. In the room Virtual Duisburg, you will be able to explore the home of our virtual organisers. We also have a space prepared by our organisers at the KHK Centre for Global Cooperation Research. A number of book publishers will be exhibiting at this year's conference. You can find them in the right-hand menu. Some of the rooms, such as this one from Bristol University Press, have some interactive elements. Click on the links within the Spatial Chat room to explore. In addition to this, the SASE Spatial Chat features an awards room where we showcase the winners of the SCR and Alice Amston prizes, specific rooms aimed at first-timers, our early career workshop, and our Women and Gender Forum. The rest of the rooms will be used as breakout rooms for specific networks and mini-conferences. We hope that this has helped you prepare for the SASE Virtual Meeting 2021. If you require any help during the conference, you can contact us in the SASE Spatial Chat Help Desk space, or by emailing help@sase.org. We will also be available on Twitter and Facebook throughout the conference. Thank you for attending SASE 2021.